Okay, I want to show you how to set up Google Drive real quick for this course. In order to do this, click on the link here in Blackboard. Do not go straight to Google Drive in your browser, and do not search for Google Drive in Google or anything like that, but click on the link here. This will take you to a login site. If you have a Gmail account or a Google Plus account, this is what you will use to log in. If you have one of those accounts, I suggest that you use that account instead of creating a new one. If you do not have such an account, then you will need to create one. I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Now this is going to look a little bit different if you're used to Google Drive, but as you'll notice in the upper right hand corner it says Open in Google Drive and has my Gmail address up here. So if you click Open, now our class folder, which is English 201 class folder, will be in your Google Drive. You can actually have more things in Google Drive than what's in our class here. And you may already have some things in your Google Drive if you use that. But you should now see a folder in your Google Drive that says English 201 class folder. And the link in the Blackboard will always take you to this folder. But in order to do anything in this folder, you will have to make sure that you're signed in to your Gmail account or to Google Plus or Google Drive. As you can see here, I already have a folder with some course materials. Probably some readings will be in here, but most of what we'll do is actually create your major projects here. I'll have different folders for different projects and drafts, and to create a new document, you just go into the appropriate folder, you click New, and click Google Doc. And as you can see, it works mostly like Microsoft Word. If you're familiar with Microsoft Word, it shouldn't be too hard to use Google Docs. But I do have some help tutorials in the text section on Blackboard. If you do need some help, you can also ask me some questions. And you can always search YouTube. There are tons of tutorials on how to do many different kinds of things with Google Docs on YouTube. So go ahead and make sure that Google Drive is linked to your own Gmail or Google Plus account. And so every time that you click on it in Blackboard, it'll take you to the appropriate spot.